Good morning, dear children. Today we will start exercise 2.1 of fractions and decimals. So, starting here is circle and it is divided into 8 parts. And from that 8 part, two parts are shaded. This and this is shaded. So what you can write is, because total 8 parts are there, so numerator side 8 will be there and denominator side 8 will be there and the numerator will be 2. Now 2 upon 8 has come. Now you can reduce this also and answer will come 1 upon 4. Same way you can do other figures also. Second one, there is a pentagon and it is divided into 10 equal parts. So denominator there will be 10 and how many parts are shaded, that will be the numerator. So answer will be 3 upon 10. Third one, answer will be 5 upon 12 because 12 total parts are there. And last one, fourth one, it is a shape of H and there are 13 square made in that. So total 13 parts are there. So 13 denominator will be there and from 13 7 part is shaded. So we can write 7 upon 13. This was all about question number 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2 says, what fraction of an hour is 35 minutes? What fraction of an hour is equal to 60 minutes? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. What fraction of an hour is 35 minutes? So what we can say is, we can write 35 upon 60. 35 upon 60. So answer, when we will reduce it, it will come 7 upon 12. Because it is asked that what fraction of an hour is 35 minutes and we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and in the question it is given 35 minutes. So 35 upon 60, that will give out answer 7 upon 12. Now next question is, we have to convert the following fraction into improper fraction. We have to change into improper fraction. Improper fraction is where the numerator is greater than the denominator. Improper fraction, what we will do, 2 into 9 plus 7 upon 9. 2 into 9 plus 7 upon 9. 2 into 9 gives out 18. 18 plus 7 upon 9. That answer will be 25 upon 9. Same way second one also you can do. 5 whole 4 upon 11 means 5 into 11. 5 into 11 plus 4 upon 11. That will give out 55 plus 4 upon 11 equals to 59 upon 11. Now coming to the fourth question, convert the following fraction into mixed fraction. We have to change this improper fraction into mixed fraction. To change improper fraction into mixed fraction, we divide the fraction. First question is 73 upon 8. So 73 upon 8. So we will divide it. We will divide 73 by 8 and the answer will come 9 whole 1 upon 8. 9 whole 1 upon 8. Next one is 94 upon 13. So again we will divide 94 by 13, and answer will come 7 whole 3 upon 94. So always whenever you have to change improper into mixed fraction, we divide it and we write it in a mixed fraction. Next question is, you have to fill in the missing numbers. Wherever blank is there in the question, you have to fill that space. Now first question is 3 upon equals to dash upon 35. Now which side? The question is 3 upon 7 equals to dash upon 35. What you will see? You will see on which side both the things are given. Now here you can see that here denominator is given on both the side. Denominator is given on the both side. So what you can say now, 7 how many times 35 will come? When you will multiply 7 5s are 35. So we have studied the basic property of fraction, that whenever we multiply with any number to the numerator or the denominator, we multiply with the same number to the numerator or the denominator. Here we are multiplying 5 to the denominator. So in the numerator also we will multiply 5 and answer will come 15. So answer will be 15 upon 35. Clear? So first we have to see which side it is given. If numerator both side it is given, so we will calculate with the help of numerator. If denominator side, if both is given, so we will calculate with the help of the denominator. Here also 5 upon dash equals to 30 upon 18. So in 5 when we will multiply 6, it will come 30. So there also, or by divide also you can see, where when you will divide 30 by 6, then answer will be 5. Here also 18 when it will be divided by 6, answer will be 3. So answer will be 3 here. Here also divide by the rule divide. Same number whatever you will divide in the denominator, same number will be divided in the numerator, and answer will be 7 upon 9. Now next you have to reduce. You can reduce by your own also. Whatever number second one 276 upon 115, it will be direct divided by 23 and answer will be 12 upon 5. Then third one 72 upon 336, again you will divide it by 8. First it will come 9 upon 42 and then you will divide it by 3, it will come 3 upon 14. Now seventh one, convert the following fraction into equivalent like fraction. I have discussed in the previous lecture also. To convert fraction into equivalent like fractions, first we have to take out the LCM. First we have to take out the LCM of the denominators. So first we will take out the LCM. We are taking second question. So 25, 10 and 40, we will take out the LCM. LCM has come 1000. Now first fraction we will take 7 upon 25. Now in 25, what number will be multiplied? So the answer should come 1000. So in 25 we will multiply 40, then only 1000 will come. So in denominator if we are multiplying 40, so in numerator also we will multiply 10. So in 10 what we will multiply? So the answer come 1000. So 10 into 100, that will come 1000. So in numerator also we will multiply it by 100. So answer will come 900 upon 1000. Now 19 upon 40, same. When we will do, it will come 475 upon 1000. So answer will be The equivalent like fractions are 280 upon 1000, 900 upon 1000, 475 upon 1000. This will be your answer. Now question number 8 in descending order. Again in descending order or ascending order, first what we have to change? We have to change into equivalent like fraction. To change into equivalent like fraction, first we have to take out the LCM. So the LCM of 9, 3 and 21 is 63. So again when we will change the into like fraction, it will come 14 upon 63, 42 upon 63 and 24 upon 63. So descending order from greater to smaller. The greater one is 42 upon 63, then 24 upon 63, then 14 upon 63, and the real fraction is 42 upon 63. It represents 2 upon 3. The original fraction 2 upon 9 it is. Then 24 upon 63, it is 8 upon 21, and the last one is 2 upon 9. It is 8 upon 21 greater than 2 upon 9. This will be your answer. Now this was all about exercise 2.1. Now we will do the next exercise. Thank you.